Welcome to San Diego Market Movers. I'm your host, Valley, and I'm here with Sarah Ward. Welcome, Sarah.
Hey, Valley.
So, Sarah, I understand you have sold real estate for many, many years all over San Diego.
Yeah.
And you're moving to a market in North County. And so that is a different price point. It's a different type of, buyer seller. They have different types of lifestyles than maybe Southern and San Diego.
Yeah.
Tell me what it takes to be an agent in that area and help people, move real estate in that area.
Yeah, absolutely. So when we're looking at, kind of that 2 million plus price point, it's a totally different buyer, it's a totally different seller, and it's a different strategy, to be honest. When we're looking at kind of the lower level stuff under 2 million, the economy is really at play, interest rates, people's income, how they feel about affordability and all of that. But when you're looking at kind of higher end assets, we're looking more at like what the stock market's doing, what people want to do with their money. Do they want to divest and put it into stocks? Do they want to keep it in real estate? And so it becomes a more sophisticated conversation. And then a lot of our buyers in the upper price points are also not as dictated by like how their job's doing. It's much more just like how the stock market's doing, and how like the national economy is doing and that kind of stuff. So we look at it from a different perspective. And then we also want to come in and really just think about when you're selling such a big property, there's a lot of tax implications as well. So a lot of my clients will want to loop me in with their CPA. We kind of deep dive it. We talk through like what the financial situation is too on the other side. In America, we still have a $250,000 tax-free gain per person for your primary residence, $500,000 for a couple. And I think they should raise that. Like it's been that number for a really long time. I'd love to see, some action on raising that up. I think that would help us actually stimulate some more sales
Agreed.
in the upper price points as well. But 500,000 tax-free gain doesn't go very far when you're a $2, $3, $4, $5 million house. And so there's a lot of tax implications we really have to work through.
Yeah, and you can't just walk into a market like that and command business and think that you can close and sell.
Yeah.
There's so much at risk and so much at play. What do you and your sister bring to the table that people can rely on?
Yeah, absolutely. So Emily and I both went to business school. I have a marketing degree. She has a finance degree. And Emily has extensive knowledge on underwriting, loan side, closing side, all that kind of stuff. So she brings a lot to the table on the financials as well. And then I bring a lot on, I'm well versed in how taxes work on real estate transactions and that kind of side of it as well. And then from a marketing perspective, you really need to do justice to the house. And we really try to tailor all of our marketing towards our clients and towards the actual property and what the property needs. When it comes to my construction background and remodel background, some of these houses, to command top dollar, they need a new bathroom. They need some stuff fixed up. They need to redo the kitchen. And so we can bring all that to the table as well and kind of take this asset and make it what it needs to be to maximize the value out of it.
And I love the idea that you have been an investor yourself.
Yeah.
You have been in the stock market yourself. So you know how these plays affect somebody in that situation.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm well versed on RSUs and all of that as
Yeah,
well. We
absolutely.
know how all of that works. That's kind of our world. And so when people come from that world to us, we can really help them tailor their experience to get exactly what they need out of it.
Perfect. All
Yeah.
right. All right, Sarah. Well, thank you so much and good luck to all you and your sister in the future.
Thank you.
Thanks all.